Guys, simula na kami ni Recto guys, oh. Ayan si Recto guys, oh. Kaya nakatitig naman sa si Recto guys. Kaya first cast natin ito guys pag nakuha natin ito guys. Ayan na guys, oh. Mama. Malaki-laki nito guys, oh. Ayan na. Ayan si Recto guys, oh. Oh. Recto! Ah! Nakaisa na agad. Oh, baka sabihin niyo sa camera ko guys ha. Si Recto, sabi yan, nakakuha agad ako. Ayan oh. Kahapon guys, nag-emergency tayo guys. Kaya nagras ako kahapon ng-fishing. Kasi sinundo ko yung mag-ina ko sa hospital guys. Hindi ko pa nanood ang video. Kaya good morning Ma. Good morning Mr. B and Mami Linda in Sacramento, California. Kunin natin guys. Ayan guys, pangalawa natin guys. Guys, oh. Guys, ang laki. Si Recto guys, oh, nakangiti naman sa akin guys, oh. Lalapit yan. Ito niya guys. Tingnan mo, 100% lalapit. Kasi wala pa sa not 5 minutes guys, already 2 pieces already guys. Ayun guys, it's coming guys. Ang tinis ng guys. Woohoo! Ayun o. Yan ang sinasabi ko guys. Good morning guys. Guys, makuha natin ito guys. Pangatlo, pang-apat sana yung kundi natanggal yung isa guys. Ayan guys, oh. Oh. Yan. Si Recto, nakatingin lang sa atin. Nakatingin. Pang-apat sana yan guys, oh. Sayang, okay lang yan guys. Yan. Tanda lang guys, mamaya yan, medyo marami-rami na naman yan. Enjoy lang guys, right? Alright guys, ito na, ngayon naman tayo na kinagatan guys, oh. Saan na ba yun? Ayun guys, oh. Kaupo lang kasi tayo sa ating ano eh guys, oh. Ayan oh. Yan, si Recto Boy nandun lang guys. So kaya dito lang tayo, ha? Baka mamaya mawawala pa. Putisan natin guys. So man guys, sana nakaupo ka lang sa ano mo, sa bucket mo guys. Fishing with the bucket. See? Ayun na guys, oh. Maniwala kayo sa akin guys, oh. Yan guys, sit down your bucket and through your reel and rod, you can catch it guys. That's why yesterday guys, I'm very busy, but yesterday's morning, I tell you already that I dropped my wife with my son hospital, but already late. You know, meaning to say, supposed to be, he said 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock the operation, but it's cancelled. That's why my son operation is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. As I, yes, okay, fishing yesterday, so I had a good catching. And then afternoon, I leaving my house like 4:20. But after 5 o'clock, my wife called me again in the hospital. My son already finished the operation for this nose. Kaya guys, sorry, ras ng pag-fishing natin, pero nakakuha pa rin tayo. I catching 6 pieces of the maputi. I had the video that one. Everything my activities here now in Saipan, I have taken the video guys. Right, kuntis ko lang guys. Kuntis ang catching guys. Ito yung pang-5 na guys. Si Mr. Recto is still fishing too. Kaya pag may time po guys, punta kayo rito mag-fishing guys. Alright guys, another one again guys. Oh mama. Guys, oh. Yan. The same the sizes, guys. See how many pieces already, guys? How many pieces already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. It's not bad already, guys. Si Recto nang doon, guys. Oh. Siguro naka-already catching, guys. Alright, continuous lang, guys. Guys, continuous lang tayo, guys. Mabigat to, guys, ah. Oh, mama. Mama, my darling. Come to Papa Jerry. Because Papa Jerry loves you. Right, mama? Guys, oh. Oh, laki, guys. Oh. Yun na. May yan, guys. 10 na yan, guys. Oh, huwag yan, guys. Walang laban yan. Ito lang si mama may laban. Love you, guys. Andito naman si Recto, guys. Oh, padandaan naman siya rito, guys. Oh, Recto boy. Alright. So na, guys. Oh. Kumalaban ang ano natin, guys. Oh. Saan yun? Tama, mama. Ayun, guys. Oh. Malapit na dito. Ayun, guys. Oh. Yan. Si Recto boy. Titig naman, guys. Si Recto boy sa atin, guys. Recto boy! Kawawa naman si Recto boy, guys. May tama pa daw yung kanya nahuli, guys. Pero continuous muna tayo, guys, habang maga pa. Guys, pag nakuha natin to, pang 7 na yata, guys. Pero hindi yata masyado malaki, guys. Kasi nakawala yung isa, guys. Naputulan tayo, guys. Ayun. Uy, si mama. I already cutting another one, bro. But a big size, that one. Yeah. So, alas 11:30 na, guys. I go to from the Triple J. Nothing bite, guys. I back my place. Visit again. Yan, oh. Si Recto nandun. Yan, oh. Kaya balik tayo dito sa pwesto natin, guys. Please, continuous tayo dito. Naka-8 na tayo, guys. Alright, guys. We have another person man, guys. Kaya pauwi na kami ni Recto. Kaya tinan natin ang huli ni Recto, guys. Let me see, Recto, boy. Inggit naman kayo dyan. May barakuda pa sa, guys, oh. Ayos, oh. Talagang ang laki ng barakuda ni Recto, guys. Parang sing laki ng barilya, guys. Yung sa atin naman, guys, ito naman nahuli natin, guys. Yan. Kaya ito 10 yan. Yan. Kaya pinapauwi na tayo, guys, eh. Kasi alas 12 na daw. Kasi may lakad kami mga lao na mitya. Dito pa rin sa spot ko, guys. Pero mamaya pag alis namin, punta kami sa hospital ulit. Wow. Alright. You have the time, come this place, guys, and fishing. Okay, please don't forget to like, guys. Like my video if you like. At least we have another video today. Every day we have activities, fishing, or maybe tonight in the basketball court. Alright, thank you, guys. God bless you. I love you, guys, and I love you, mama, in the beach side. I love you, mama, everybody in the land. I love you, Mr. B. Mar, continuous na natin, guys, mamayang gabi naman sa basketballan ni Egwell, the sponsor Egwell Sportswear, guys. Woohoo!